Hey there, Solar Pros. This is Ben with Easy Mode Media. Today we're going to talk about tracking solar conversions and how you do that. So, very short video. There's two typical ways you want to be tracking conversions. But first, what is a conversion? It's basically how someone's going to get in touch with you after they visit your website, right? So, that's either going to be a phone call or a form submission. So you can see on my side here, I've got phone number, form submission. I track both of these, right? And that tells me no matter what page they are on they are on my website, wherever they came from, I get all that data. I know exactly where they came from. I know how they visited my site, what pages they went to, all this kind of stuff. All right. So basically that tells you exactly what's working with your marketing, whether it's SEO, paid ads, social media, anything. If they come to your website, you want to be tracking how they contact you because that's going to give you the information of what's working, how much money your marketing effort is actually bringing you in your company, if you're making money or losing money from marketing, and basically gives you all the information on how to go ahead, to move forward, to make more money, to generate more leads, to generate more revenue, right? If you don't have this data, you're guessing. And that's the last thing we want to do when it comes to marketing, right? So solar, so call tracking software is basically exactly what it sounds. You put a little bit of script over your phone number up here, and it's going to record all calls coming from your website, right? No matter what page they're on, how long they've been on your website, if they click that button and they call you, you'll know about it, right? The other one is lead form submissions. If someone gets on your contact form or your estimate form or any form on your website, you can track exactly what page they submitted it from, where they were, how they found your website, all this kind of stuff, right? And this is the data that really tells you exactly what's working when it comes to solar marketing. If you're working with an agency that's sending you traffic reports from Google Analytics or a tracking sheet from Google Search Console, but they're not talking about where any of your leads are coming from, who gives a shit, right? Like if they can't show you exactly how they're bringing in leads from their content, from their work specifically, who cares, right? If they're not tracking this accurately, you're wasting time, you're wasting money because you're not going to know what's working in 6, 12 months, right? So if you're interested in getting more information like this, actually understanding how your marketing's working, then book a call with the solar marketing specialist, myself, Ben from Easy Mode Media. We'll talk all about this. I'll show you exactly how it works for clients, what you can expect, and all that kind of stuff. So I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day.